Good morning. New day. Got my cup of tea. Let's go and see what we can get ticked off the list today. Right. First job is to get my new blueberry into a pot. They are having to go into pots at the moment because I don't have space in the garden. And I have to get another bag of ericaceous at some point. But I've only got this one to plant. And then, because the honeyberries don't actually need ericaceous, so I've got to get a couple more pots today when I go shopping to do the honeyberries, because I want something, although I've got plenty of 30-litre buckets. That's the one thing with having the other half, who's a bit of a neat freak. Bless him. He'd rather have nice looking pots. So who am I to argue if it means I've got to go shopping at the garden centre? God. Right, that will do for now. Right, let's give that a bit of break the roots up a little bit. Looks a little bit pot bound, but not too bad. Right. Give that some water in a minute. That's another one. It's another good use for these clips. Sealing your bags up. Right. Let's get some water. That is the water butt running. It's not me. Oh God. Oh, that'll do for a minute. Right. I've done the stupidest thing as well that I always tell my other half to do. Put the pot where it's going before you water it. But there you go. Stick that there for a minute. Right. Yeah, no sign of the potatoes that I put in here, my first earlies yet, but that's good. They can just take their time. And got to get the others in today. So, right. Let's go and do something else. Bear with me. Stop recording. Right, next job is to get these main crop potatoes in. These are Cara. I'm not going to get them all in the bed that I've got planned for them, so some will have to go in buckets, but we'll just see. I am going to plant them slightly closer together than the recommended, what is it, 18, 24 inches between rows, because my bed's only 3 foot, so you know they're going to be pushed in a little bit, but I'm not after ginormous potatoes, just potatoes. So right, I'm not going to be able to take all of this up in one go, so we'll do it bit by bit. God. Right, okay, this side, the wind won't be quite so bad. Right, let's pop you down. And I'll go and get the other bits. Right. I have to pull a few weeds out to start with. All right, Emily, you watching, supervising? Oh. Field bindweed. That can come out. Is that a calendula? Oh dear, right. Dig down with a hand in these. That's one good thing. Bit of potato fertiliser. Bit of bloodfish and bone. And I mean, I will earth these up. Now, is it a good idea to do? I'm going to do this first. My aim is, by the weekend, to have caught up on most, see, I'm not going to say everything on my to-do list. Don't know what that is. Looks like a parsnip. Want that in there. 1, 2. I can cover those ones back in. I have to have a good water because the soil is really quite dry. That one's going. Right. 1, 2. Could I risk putting any more in? I've got one there, one there. Oh, do you know, sod it. I'm going to try it. Yeah, that would do. Right, that just leaves 2. Where'd I put my label? Didn't bring it out. Yep, 2, and I'll put those in a bucket. Right, went shopping. Got a couple of good sized pots. So, just going to plant my honeyberries now. I'm going to mix in stick some well rotted manure in the bottom. Put in this one. Oh God, this is so compacted. It breaks up nice and easy, but it's a pig to get out the bag. So I thought I heard the van. It's probably the last thing I'm going to get done today because the troops are going to start thinking they're not going to get fed. But right, you see, shall I use that or shall I use the other one? Sod it, that'll do. Just add a bit of that. Give it right. Now let's sit you in the middle. Right, now that'll do. Yeah. Ease you out, come on. You do want to come out. Oh wow, look at that. No wonder it didn't want to come out. That's been in that pot for a long time. Right. Try and keep it level with the top of the, well, level with where it was in the other pot. Right. That is one done. That's better. God, I feel like I don't know what work out now. I'll go and move those and water them. Right.